other words, are you trying to say that some of the Muslim leaders that went ahead to meet the president of Uganda, that is His Excellency Yoweri Museveni, that was on the 12th of April, do you think they did it the right way in your capacity?
Well, right or wrong will definitely depend.
Okay.
I mean, if there is a sect which wants to unite and maybe have some bit of a memorandum of understanding with another sect, that's okay. But to portray it as a representation of all Muslims, I think that's not fair.
Okay.
Because in a democracy, all you can do is negotiate. So these two negotiated, and they thought they could work together on particular things, and they achieved that. But now representing us all, I don't think that was fair, because they are, immediately after they did that, the sign that they did not represent all the Muslims came up. You saw what the office of the Supreme Mufti at Chibuli did.
So in your regard, what should have been done in the first place?
In regard to what?
In regard to the reconciliation plans and the moves
I need
that
to
were
understand
made,
what is meant by reconciliation here. I need to understand why we think we are not united. You know, Shivan, there is something we need to understand. In a democracy, you need to understand that there is freedom of assembly and association.
Yes.
This is the nation we are living. Right now, Ashraf Mutaguya can start a sect. And I can get a number of Muslims to follow me. So, at a political level, a leadership level, we shall always have all these different words because the Constitution provides for that. So what do you call reconciliation? Is it all of us coming together to form one body? Or we just need one supreme? Because I would advocate that we have a joint Sunni Muslim council. Maybe here all of us can meet and have our voices united, but each group stays where they are. So, Islam as a religion is very democratic. It does not in this, like the Uganda we are living right now and the state of the nation, maybe politically, and the systems, the philosophies our state is following, Islam does not mandate you to belong to a specific group. And it is clear in all the Islamic literature and scholarly work.
Okay.
We are united because we all say there is none that should be worshipped but Allah. And Prophet Muhammad is what? Is the prophet, the last prophet. Now here we are united. Now the scholarly work, whether in matters of jurisprudence or creed or ethics and morality issues, we can differ. We have differences of opinion, and scholars demonstrated that very well. And also, these sects in Uganda belong to different and subscribe to different ideologies. It is all Islam, but some of them have a very strong disagreement with the other in terms of creed, and others in terms of ethical and morality issues. So these ideologies are the ones driving these sects. Now you cannot unite them, and you cannot reconcile. Why? Because you believe in something and I believe in something else. So we shall not right now preach unity because it is not achievable, and I don't think it is in our interest, but we can preach principles of coexistence and tolerance. Then we should also clearly demarcate and identify what unites us all in Uganda, given the context we are living. And when should we come together to advocate for Muslims in general?
Okay.
Not becoming one group. And the whole idea of sending a message to the subconscious of most Muslims and non-Muslims alike, I believe, Shivan, you believe Muslims are very disorganized. I mean, this message is being sent to the subconscious of many Ugandans that Muslims are disunited. We are not disunited. We are diverse.